Hi everyone! I'm finally back in Malaysia to celebrate Christmas for the first time in 5 years with my family. And here they are, we're having our Christmas lunch here. Say hello! Hi everyone! Merry Christmas! Come join us for lunch, come on! So, Irina is going to be teaching us how to make a really delicious chicken today using our limited edition pineapple relish, whereas I am going to teach you guys how to make a traditional Malaysian rendang using our new rendang paste over here. So, are we ready?
Yes.
Kau tak perlu begitu robot.
Oh.
First thing that you need for a beef rendang is very easy. What do we have over here?
Beef.
I'm like filming with a robot. Beef. Okay, so we've got some beef over here. Right? The next thing that you'll definitely be needing is some coconut milk. I'm only using 200 ml of coconut milk here. Of course, our wonderful Mak Tok's Rendang chili paste. This is our new chili paste over here. Just need a bit of salt to season it, and that's it. All simple as that. And if you want to make it a bit more luxurious, add some toasted desiccated coconut here. Because the pan is still clean, just toast the desiccated coconut first. So we use about 50 grams, that's plenty already. So you don't really need that much unless you love coconut like that I do. So how do we make sure that this is cooked? And once you see like it's a bit brownish, a bit golden brown, and that's it. You don't want it to be overly brown, otherwise it will give you a really bitter taste. Am I right? Oh my god, this is my robot of the day. Let me tell you something, every time when she cooks, she's never that quiet. I don't know what, when she's in front of a camera, she gets camera shy.
I'm shy.
No, you're not shy, you're never shy. So this is somewhat like the color that you would need. So once you reach, so we're gonna just put all our toasted desiccated coconut in here. Next thing you want to do is to slice up your beef. I would normally say put them into cubes. So right now I'm gonna give my assistant over here to slice up the beef for us.
Alright.
If you got plenty of time, I would really recommend you using beef brisket, only because beef brisket has got a bit more fatty juice in it. So when you slow cook it especially, just add a tiny bit of water into it and then just let it slow cook for 5 to 6 hours. And once it's done, it's soft, it just falls apart and it's delicious. Once all done, we want to marinate our beef over here. So this is our brand new rendang paste. Open it. Give it a sniff first. Smell the wonderful smell of ganggal, lemongrass, ginger, chilies, and all the secret spices that we have. Smell this.
Yes, indeed.
You sound like a robot. Just add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of this. Now to make a perfect rendang, you're gonna actually use the whole jar. And because you got like a nice rapeseed oil in this paste already, you don't need to add any extra oil to it. So right now, it's just mixing them all up. Once it's done, just leave it there for about 5 minutes. Next thing we want to do is just to throw this in. So you can hear it's sizzling right now. Okay, we're gonna throw in all the beef. I would normally add a tiny bit of water just to make sure that it's a bit saucy in there. This is just a tiny bit of water. There we go. And then just let this cook, let it simmer. We'll have to cover it. We'll let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Oh. Okay, that's it. Why not let's prepare our second dish.
Fried chicken with pineapple relish.
So what do we need first?
We need to marinate the drumstick.
Okay, I've got some drumsticks over here.
So before we start to marinate, we need to chop some garlic.
Okay, some garlic. Do you need me to help you?
No. Help me to chop some, what do you call that one? Ginger. Yes.
A thumb size. One trick that I've learned from my mom is just to use a spoon. How you do this is quite simple. It's just like scraping off the skin. And it comes off pretty easily. For the first time in her life, I think this is the least she ever taught. So that's all, the minced garlic and ginger.
All the drumstick here, all the garlic and what do you call it, ginger on top of the drumstick. I still need to put some salt, sugar, soy sauce, what else? The pepper. More please.
Right, since I'm already adding some salt, I might as well add some to my beef as well, just to season it a bit, making it taste amazing. So you need, I would say, about 1/4 teaspoon salt. Right, so you need some sugar.
Just put it. Don't worry, just put it. Because we don't have any honey. If you have honey, right, you can replace with honey.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay.
White pepper here.
And the soy sauce. More.
Hang on, it's not coming out.
Now we're gonna just let the chicken marinate itself and let the beef simmer for a bit longer. So let's go grab some tea. And we're back.
Hi.
So this is almost 20 minutes now. Next thing we want to do is to add some coconut milk in. So there we go. And that's it. So there we go. This is some cafe lime leaves. Oh, by the way, we are actually in this holiday home we rented from a really nice friend called Hao. And this is actually Tanjong Sepat. And this property is called Haika. So if you have a plan to have a holiday here, I think this is a perfect place. It's like a beachfront property. You get like local small businesses doing fish products, like fish cakes, all across this area. Now, this is the time where we add some desiccated coconut. So just add this in. Put it all? Are you sure? Okay. And just mix it around. Make sure you lower the heat. And that's it. Look at our amazing rendang. Oh my god. Look. Looks like our grandma's rendang. This is our rendang done, and right now we're just gonna plate it over here. Amazing. We've got some cheese crackers here. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a big chunk onto each and every of these crackers. And for my lovely sister. And this is a don't eat first, wait for me. And this is for me. So here we go. Cheers! Hold on.
Wow, awesome.
Awesome, right? Told you. We're gonna leave this beef rendang over here.